Wow, shrimp for Malica? Malica Patrol is back on the hunt for the best Malica in Ljubljana, and today we're at Noni. Honestly, I didn't expect to see something this beautiful here. A gorgeous terrace, stylish interior, clean and cozy. I definitely like it. Spoiler alert, the service raised 2 minor questions for me. So here the score is 9.5. Prices for Malica range from 9 to 11 euros. There's also a big salad bar, everything fresh. Behind glass and nicely chilled. I was a bit late, so I went for Malica Cosilo for 16 euro. Spinach cream soup and ravioli with shrimp tails and lemon cream sauce. The spinach soup was really delicious. Both my son and I loved it. That's a clear 10. And the ravioli? Absolutely amazing. A tasty sauce, a generous amount of shrimp, and the flavors together, just a bomb. Another 10, and yes, Coca-Cola. I'm still waiting for your call. Maybe you've changed your mind. So the overall score for Noni, 9.8.